In this video, I'm gonna go over 7 things you should consider doing to get the best price for your home. Whether you have thousands of dollars, a couple hundred, or no money to invest before selling your home, you can still benefit from these 7 things. So let's get started. The first thing to consider is paint. You wanna make sure that you have clean, neutral paint because this is gonna help your home appeal to most buyers. It's gonna help your spaces look brighter, more spacious, and it's gonna make your furniture complement better with your home. The second thing that you wanna focus on is improving your fixtures. This doesn't mean you have to buy an expensive chandelier, but if you live in an older home and or your fixtures haven't been updated in a while, this will make your home look newer, more modern, and just give a better experience for the buyers. The third thing to consider is to do a minor kitchen upgrade. This doesn't mean you have to spend a lot of money remodeling your entire kitchen, but updating your countertops. Maybe you do some nice granite countertops, you reface the cabinets, get some new hardware for the cabinets, maybe add some backsplash. You don't need to spend a lot of money, but just doing some of these updates will go a long way and make your kitchen look really nice. The fourth thing to consider is installing hardwood floors or luxury vinyl plank. Nowadays, most buyers are not very interested in carpet, especially in living rooms, dining rooms, and even bedrooms. Now, if you have to decide between putting carpet in the living room and dining room or the bedrooms are okay with carpet. I would say put the new flooring on the living room and dining room, and this is gonna make a big change on the look and feel of your home. The fifth thing to consider is having your home staged. Most buyers cannot imagine a room if there's no furniture and it's just completely empty. So having a professional come into your home, bring furniture and things that's gonna give purpose and make the space look as spacious and cozy as possible is a great investment. Now, if you don't have the money to invest on staging, you can also hire a staging consultant that can come and help you use the furniture and the things that you already have to better optimize the spaces and the inside of your home. The sixth thing to consider is landscaping. Adding some fresh mulch, adding some nice newer plants, making sure that your lawn is freshly mowed. All these things will go a long way. Keep in mind you don't have to spend a lot of money because landscaping can be very expensive. The seventh thing to consider is giving your home a nice deep clean. You want to make sure that the carpets don't have stains, that the windows don't have cobwebs or dust, especially if you have pets. I always think it's a good idea to offer the buyers that you're going to have the carpets professionally clean and the air ducts are going to be cleaned as well prior to closing. I think that's always a great idea. It goes a long ways, and it gives the buyers a nice perception and impression that you take care of your home and have pride in ownership, and buyers always like that. Now let me know in the comments below which part of your house will need the biggest renovation but will also help you get the best price for your house. And make sure that you check out this playlist for more great videos on how you can sell your home for top dollar. Thanks for watching.